trying out the features, see how it's going to go. Here I am at skateboard park in town. I think right here I'm doing, I don't know what you call it, where it's just rotating around me. One of the features of the new DJI drone, this Mavic Air 2 that I picked up. I guess I'm just trying to follow me mode here. Actually, I think it's supposed to, I've got it where it's supposed to circle me, but I'm outrunning it, so it hadn't got a chance to circle around me yet. Yeah, I take that back. It must be on follow me mode. I can't remember. This is definitely just following me here. This clip is going to end shortly, and I'm going to be heading to Bolivar, Texas. I like to call it Crystal Beach. That's one of the beaches there. This is where I parked. Be trying some more stuff with the drone. Oh, and I'm using a new program, editing program that I was told about, Capcut. So I'm trying this for the first time. Got some cool special effects on it, as you can see here. Got the drone following me here. Nothing special going on, just cruising down the beach. I think here I was trying to see how close I could get it to follow me. It's a Polaris 900 Ace SP, by the way, 2016. A lot of power, pretty fast. Oh, this is the couples I was sitting next to. Their wives thought it'd be funny to get their husband's face all put on their bathing suits without them knowing. It was pretty funny. More special effects. Obviously, somebody's looking at me from very high up in there. I don't know who it is. Secret spy stuff going on right here. Giant phallic symbol in the sand. Here I am, I'm on my 1985 250 three-wheeler. Big Red, as they like to call it. Got my flag. Everybody here's got political flags. I have one that just says, I just wanted a flag. My wife is driving with me. She's in the buggy. My ex-girlfriend right there. Few donuts. I've already flipped it. Flipped this buggy once here at the beach, so I'm a little nervous. I don't want to do it anymore, so I'm being very cautious. I flipped it more than once. One time a roll bar landed on my hand and broke it, so yeah. Wife kill me if I do it again. It was a good day at the beach. Had bands playing. some other stuff going on. Here's the stage set up for the bands that were playing. They played well into the night. Some country bands, if you like country. But they have different people play different weekends. There's more drone flying. Yeah, I know it's boring, but look at the beach houses. I think I'm going to do some more donuts here. And when I was driving down the beach, there were some people there doing what they call paramotors. You heard of parasailing. This is where you strap, there they are, strap motor to your back instead of being pulled behind the boat. Now they have like 5 guys here. They were all doing it. Usually you just see them fly overhead, straight line going down the beach. Nothing special. Like this, nothing really happened here. But there was a guy here, 24 years old, and I'm told he's one of the top 2 paramotor pilots, stunt pilots, that is, in the world. I don't know that. He just got back from Turkey doing an exhibition. And he was doing some unbelievable stuff that I didn't get but 40% of it on video. Here he is right here. He was doing barrel rolls, landing on the top of cars and then taking off again. Which I did not get that because I was talking to one of the paramotor pilots. He was telling me about this guy. I'm glad I got to see him. I believe he gives lessons down there if you want to take lessons from him. I didn't catch the guy's name. There I thought, shit, he ran into the ground, but no, he just scared the shit out of me. So it's time to drive back. Here I pop a little wheelie, and when I do, the sunshade from my phone falls off the phone and lands on the joystick. I don't know it. Thank God I look back because it's pushing the drone down. And when I look back and see it, it's about to land in the water. As you can see, it's pretty close. Grab it. That's the end. Thanks for watching.